Alright, welcome back to another video, guys. It's a decent day. Wow, lots of trucks. So far I've seen more than 5 trucks on the side of the road. Smell something here. Like a manure, like a cow. Maybe they've started farming. Is that Kia? Like their new logo. Seems pretty cool. Quality off the highway here is all like pretty great. It's really smooth. They definitely do maintain this section of the highway is always pretty good, but you know there's always construction, right? So it's hit and miss basically. But this section of the highway seems pretty new to me, like pretty smooth. I spoke too soon. There's something. That's a tow truck. Okay, that's a tow truck. So when it comes to tow truck, guys, always make sure you try to get to the next lane or slow down. They are doing the essential work. They rescue someone from the side of the highway. So gotta be careful around them. Give them a lot of space. Look at that. Volkswagen. Cambridge, Ontario. I hear it's a nice city. We stand behind you. Equipment for life. Oh, that's a quality seems like a quality equipment they have. Lifetime warranty. Downhill, guys. We go downhill from here. This highway is pretty much flat for the most part. I think this is the only like downhill I've seen so far. Otherwise, it's pretty straight and pretty flat. I wouldn't say straight like what's in Saskatchewan or parts of Alberta, but it is pretty flat. Yeah, that's F-150 over there. It's a nice looking truck. RAV4, yep. That's a nice looking vehicle over there. Another RAV4 behind me. Wow, 3 RAV4s here. Lots of people drive RAV4. Smart people. You know. I think there's like some kind of like a safari around here. Like a drive-in kind of safari, like, oh shoot, I forgot to say that. It kind of makes sense, guys. I guess like I soon be charging and recording because I haven't had a problem after that. I got the AC on, so it should be okay. As you can see, it's a nice day. You can see the sky is blue. think it's V8. Very fast. 7-seaters. Family vehicle, very nice. Very nice. Population of 250, 260, close, even more now, you know. This is nice. Lots of trees around here. Seems like a nice place. Kitchener. We got I think Guelph after this, then we get pretty close to Mississauga after that, pretty close to the airport. I think that's about hour and 15